Hello everyone, my name is Smriti S. Jolat and my project group members name are Ashwini Hava, Harshada Tilli and Priya Tanmani. We are participating in project competition, so I am making a video here for explaining about our project, what it is actually and how it is helpful in a database system or in a technical department. So I would like you to say we are from GH Raivani College of Engineering. We are participating in project competition held from PS Modern College of Engineering, Pune. I would like to explain you about our project called Internal Intrusion Detection System. Basically, what is internal intrusion detection system? I will let you know what it is mainly, and so that you will come to know what actual intrusion concept means. Actually, it means which means anyone who sneak into the security of the system without any sanction. It can spot like the law activities that are done by criminal content him, which can turn up to the higher charge, and it can scan and approach the network undertaking. So basically, I would like you to explain this by system architecture diagram. Here there are two parts. One is admin and user part. In admin part will see that of the like it is very helpful in company based profiles. For example, I would like to tell you about any company name. Like for example, there is an employee and now there is a boss. And boss, if their manager are giving only activities to their respected team members, like one should access to this only account and another one should access to the another only account. Otherwise, so like this main actor, that's like this fully activities which is to be maintained. So the by this the concept is admin is introduced, and user concept is that if I am a user and I am log into restricted activity which I should not supposed to do, so it is coming again and again. So what it is, so basically an admin will see whether if I am a user and I am going to illegal account and accessing that which should not be accessed because it is an confidential data of our company. So if then also I'm trying to access, so what admin will do? First, registration, it will capture the registration of user. It will generate username and password. Then it will maintain a list of listed activities. It will maintain a list of listed activities equal to number of listed non-restricted activities. Then it will take a photo capture of that screenshot of that activity, and it will take a photo screenshot of that activity person, and it will get an IP address. Then IP address will generate and of a user. So user in that case, he or she will be caught red-handed because he or she is accessing an confidential data security issues. So this whole process is called as mining user data mining technology behavior, and it is we are doing this internal intrusion detection system by data mining technology and forensic techniques. So data mining is mainly data mining technologies are nowadays are trending. If you want to if anyone want to do in that field of job, then it is great you should do, because even we are doing now. So we are taking more interest on it, and we are learning some new technologies, that how company works in a reputed company, how their confidential data is maintained. Okay, so our main, basically our front end is an Java servlet page, and our back end is on advanced Java, and we are connecting our database through XAMPP server. So here there is a XAMPP server. Here there is an intrusion OTP which captures the photo. So here there is coming. So here admin block site temp and username information database are created. Here these are the users who are accessing to the non-restricted activities. So that database will show here in XAMPP in my admin by by doing backend in database development. And now I'll show you our front-end database. This is our front-end database where home, admin, user, and about us and contact page are there. So here there is a admin page. I will log in as a admin here. I will do it here. So here the admin management page comes. So I'll go to users, like how many users are being connected to this module. So these are the users are connected to module. As my name is Smriti, I am also connected to this orders. This is the admin's account. He can give he can give restricted activities that should not be done. He can give me access. So here I'll type no. Here also I'll type no. Here also I'll type no. So I'll submit it. Okay. So here it does come. I'll log out it. Then once again I'll log in it by user account. Here my name was already registered. So I'll create my name as a sign. If I am not registered, then I can create here user also. Like, wait a minute. Here, here I will log in my account. Here I'll do it. So here my verification password comes. Wait a minute. Here there are users, number of users. We can create new user also, add user by adding user. Here by adding, see how I have registered. See, my name is there, how, here date of birth, my email address, my mobile number will be activated as I am a user. So I am accessing to the non-restricted activities. So my photo, my IP address, and my whole photo and my whole activity will be captured. What I am doing in non-restricted activities, it will show. So I'll go once again in user. Here if they're showing that admin can remove me also because I am accessing to non-restricted activity. So here I'll log out, and once again I'll log in my username. I'll see what happens in my account. I'll let you know with what further will happen. So my Smriti, I'll type here 1 2 3 4 5 6. See, here I'll generate my OTP username password. See, here I'm receiving an OTP in few seconds. This we have fully done in Java Supplet page. We are doing in advanced technology. See, here I have come. Yeah. Either now here I'll proceed. Once again, I'll do here. See, I have generated. It is showing me to generate a new user one-time password. So here my one-time password is generated. This is my phone number as I have registered in new user account to show that how I am accessing to not restricted activity. I am accessing to, sorry, restricted activity, not restricted and non-restricted, restricted activity. So I log out here. See, here my it comes. So I'll go once again here to my setup. I'll go here. Here my TPA is there. I'll test my thing, what I am doing. Like the admin will come to know what I am actually accessing to it. I'll save here. I'll close. Here my webcam is now started, so my photo will be captured. Now my photo is capturing. Huh. Now here there is screenshot.png and webtest.png. My photo has been captured here. See, as you can see, my photo has been captured because I'm accessing to some restricted activity. Here my screenshot will be generated. See, my testing will come, like they will show like what was I was actually accessing in my laptop, what was I actually doing. When I go, here are the softwares that we have installed like XAMPP, Eclipse, Apache Tomcat. Here we are using 9.0 Apache Tomcat version. So this is our whole system, how it is working, how it is done. And after that I'll receive an email also. See, here I have received from login system 275 email. See, here the photo has been captured. See, what actually I was accessing to the account of confidential data, here it comes in one page, and here my photo will be generated, like I am the person who is accessing to restricted activity, it will come. Okay, so for more project, if you want to more know about our project, then please do comment then please do comment in section box if you would like to know about the what is this actually topic, how it can be helpful. If you want to actually know, then you can please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.